Hey friends, Paul Reilly here. I'm thrilled to be joining my good friend, Jim Pancero, legendary speaker and sales trainer. Can't wait to partner with him on this upcoming project, which is thriving in a changing sales landscape. Now we know things have changed over the past year. And Jim, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. What is it about right now that is really going to force salespeople to change so they can thrive in this new landscape?
We're seeing that this COVID has dramatically impacted how our buyers buy. And because of that, we're seeing that how we need to sell, how we adjust how we sell, our philosophies and approaches to selling and differentiating, how we increase our competitive advantage, they're all changing today. Now, there's still, one of the things I talk about is the new rules still require the old tools to be effective, but how we apply them is going to be different. This is what I want to talk about in my program. I'm going to talk about you can always sell more, how to increase your sales in today's new selling reality. And I want to talk about what you can do as the leader of your sales team to be able to help all of your salespeople become more effective, more efficient, and hopefully to be able to sell more. And this is also such an honor for me. It's great when you get to present with friends because I have the honor, Paul, of being your opening act. So what are you going to talk about then as you go?
No, it's really an exciting topic, a topic that I'm very passionate about. It's about the psychology of decision making. What we know about buyers, all right, during tough times, we've had to learn how to sell differently, and it's mainly because they've bought differently. Our customers have different priorities. They will define value in different ways through this challenging landscape. You know, I think initially we all experienced this shock about a year ago of how our world has changed, but we're still facing some of the realities that, hey, it's not going to look the same. And what's happening is a lot of our buyers are they're still focused on fear. That's driving some of their decision making, and that's going to cause them to focus more on hoarding their resources. And Jim, you know what happens when companies try to hoard their resources? They look to reduce how they're spending money. They look for ways to cut costs. They give more discount requests. It's going to be a more price sensitive market. And a lot of it is because of the psychology of that decision maker. So in my program, we're going to dive deep into that. I'm going to talk about some of the decision making biases that are going to impact your customer. But most importantly, I'm going to share with you some tools on getting past those biases. So it's going to be an exciting program. And man, I'm looking forward to presenting with you.
This is exciting that it's so much fun when you get to be able to share with friends. And we're both excited to be bringing you. I hope that you attend April 15th. As we talk from two different perspectives, you're going to see a very common message of how you can increase your competitive advantage. Because after all, you can always sell more. Hope to get to see you April 15th.